Hello friends, we are starting chapter 2 of 12th science, your first lecture. Universe, trigonometric function. You know 6 functions in 10: sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. However, all these functions have their inverse functions. Sine inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse, cot inverse, sec inverse and cosec inverse. All these functions have their domain and their range. Sine inverse, cos inverse. For any function f e to b in 11th, if their inverse exists, therefore f inverse domain and range will change b to a, in reverse order. F a to b, then f inverse will be b to a. So in 10th, the domain of sine and cos, range of sine and cos is domain of sine inverse and cos inverse. So sine inverse and cos inverse domain -1 to 1. Same way cos inverse -1 to 1. Tan inverse and cot inverse are. Sec inverse and cosec inverse are -1 to 1. R -1 to 1. These are range of sine, cos, tan, cot in reverse order domain. Range of sine inverse will be in closed interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Same way tan inverse, but in open interval, because at the place of minus pi by 2 and pi by 2, tan does not exist. Value of tan will be infinite. Same way cosec inverse range will be in closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 minus 0, because on 0 angle cosec does not exist. Same way cos inverse range 0 to pi, cot inverse open interval 0 to pi, and for sec 0 to pi minus pi by 2, because on pi by 2 sec does not exist. These are the domain and range of 6 inverse functions: sine inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse, cot inverse, sec inverse and cosec inverse. These are domain and these are range. In sine inverse, we will put only value between -1 to 1, and these are range. Now next formula for minus: sine inverse minus x is equal to minus sine inverse x. Same way tan inverse minus x is equal to minus tan inverse x. Cosec inverse minus x is equal to minus cosec inverse x. these three functions, sine, tan and cosec, minus will become outside. For other three functions, for cos inverse minus x, minus come outside but with pi minus cos inverse x. Same way, fifth formula is cot inverse minus x is equal to pi minus cot inverse x. 6, sec inverse minus x is equal to pi minus sec inverse x. These are for formula. Sine, tan and cosec, minus will come outside, and for cos, cot and sec, minus come outside with pi minus. These are your formula for minus, to remove minus. Next three formula are, there are three pairs in tan, sine cos for 90 angle, same way tan cot and sec cosec. So these three formulas are sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Angle will be same and belong between these given range and on. Second, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Third, sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So, just like tan, sine cos, tan cot and sec cosec pair of 90s, these three formulas are sine and cos. Angle in sine and cos will be same, then it is equal to direct pi by 2. Same way, tan and cot and sec inverse and cosec inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Next, for reciprocal, cosec inverse x is equal to sine inverse 1 by x. Sec inverse x is equal to cos inverse 1 by x. Cot inverse x is equal to tan inverse 1 by x, x greater than 0. These three formulas to convert cosec inverse x is equal to 1 by cosec x, that is wrong. Cosec inverse x, if you want to change cosec into sine, function will change the angle inside x, it will be replaced by 1 by x. Next, for addition, if x greater than 0 and y greater than 0, to add 2 tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to formula tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. If product of x and y is less 1, this is your condition. In sums, these are values x and y. We have to check to apply the formula. If x and y product is less than 1, so first formula apply. If x and y greater than 1, then same formula with pi. And if x and y equal to exactly 1, then it is equal to pi by 2. For minus, tan inverse x, if we want to subtract to 10, in inverse function, if any two inverse you want to add or subtract, there are formula is in only tan inverse. Sine inverse, cos inverse, there is no formula. So for plus is these three formulas according to condition. Xy less 1 first formula apply, xy greater than 1 same formula but add with pi, and xy is equal to 1, that is equal to pi by 2. For minus, same formula, sign will be changed. In up, x minus y by 1 plus xy, where x and y multiplication is greater than minus 1. If we, next formula is 2 tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square is equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Now for interchanging inverse from sine to cos, otherwise tan, sin inverse x is equal to cos inverse under root 1 minus x square is equal to tan inverse x by under root 1 minus x square. This formula will apply for 0 less x less 1. Same way, cos inverse x is equal to sin inverse under root 1 minus x square is equal to tan inverse under root 1 minus x square by x. This formula also we can change by triangle. We will use triangle for these formulas in sums. Same way, tan inverse x is equal to sin inverse x by under root 1 plus x square is equal to cos inverse 1 by under root 1 plus x square. These are your formula of chapter 2 total. Now we will start 2.1. These sums are for only practice. We have to find out value of sums up to sum number 10. First sum is sin inverse as according to formula we have seen in this lecture. We have to remove minus. In sin, tan and cosec, minus come outside. So minus sin inverse 1 by 2 minus sin inverse, we have to put value from 10th table. 1 by 2 value of sin is at the angle pi by 6. Now function and inverse function will cancel. So sin inverse sin cancel with each other. So minus pi by 6 is your answer. Second, cos inverse root 3 by 2. Now here is no minus, so direct value of cos, it is also on pi by 6. So cos inverse cos cancel, pi by 6 is your answer. Third sum is cosec inverse 2. No minus, value of cosec, it is also on pi by 6. Cancel, pi by 6. Sum number 4. Tan inverse minus root 3. minus will come outside. Remember formula, sine, tan and cosec, minus will come directly outside. For cos, sec and cot, minus come outside but with pi. So here minus come outside, minus tan inverse root 3 minus tan inverse root 3 value of tan at angle pi by 3, minus tan inverse tan cancel, pi by 3. Fifth sum is cos inverse minus 1 by 2. Now here cos and sec and cot, minus come with outside but with pi. So according to formula, pi minus cos inverse 1 by 2. Now minus is removed from inside. Now put value of cos, it is at the angle pi by 3. So pi minus cos inverse cos cancel, pi by 3. Now taking LCM, 3 pi minus pi, your value is 2 pi by 3. Sum number 6, tan inverse. Sum number 6 is tan inverse minus 1. Minus directly come outside. Now value of tan at the angle pi by 4. Tan inverse tan cancel, pi by 4. Sum number 7, sec inverse 2 by root 3. Now no minus, value of sec, it is also on pi by 6. Sec inverse sec cancel, pi by 6. Sum number 8, cot inverse root 3. No minus, value of root 3 is at the point cot pi by 6 angle. So cot inverse and cot cancel, pi by 6. Sum number 9, cos inverse minus 1 by root 2. Now same here, cos inverse minus 1 by 2, the minus remove. To remove minus, apply formula, pi minus cos inverse 1 by root 2, pi minus cos inverse cos pi by 4. So pi minus cos inverse cos cancel, pi by 4. LCM, 4 pi minus pi, 3 by 4. Sum number 10, cosec inverse minus root 2. Minus come outside. Now root 2 value at angle cosec pi by 4. Cosec cancel, minus pi by 4 is your answer. So this is our first lecture. Tomorrow we will take second lecture. Thank you.